Good morning. Good morning, guys. How is everybody doing today? How are you guys doing? Are you ready to start? I think the markets are super uh, pumped up. So, guys, do you hear the? Uh, Hold on. Why it's not coming? Why it's not coming? Ruben, how is it going? Let me check mm, the sound. Why we don't have this nice music there, guys? Why we don't have this nice music? Up. Oh, come on. What's wrong with our music? Good morning, Relexerla. Yeah, I hope I say it well. Yeah. Let's put some music here, guys. What do you think? Some music will be good. Where did we put the music now? It's somewhere here. We're gonna find it. Downloads is Casa. The name is Casa. Apparently, I put it somewhere that I don't know where I put it. What is this? No, these are reels. Uh, this one. Yep. Let's play this. Mm, why is not? Why is not coming? Mm, anyway. Nah. Anyway. Anyways. So we are ready to start. And the markets today, as I said, are extremely volatile. Good morning, Kendra. Hello. Welcome to this live stream. And of course, we are going through the markets to see what's moving, mainly gold and S&P 500. But also because it's a crypto time now. It's good to discuss if you guys um, have preference, opinion on cryptos. Yeah, we can definitely go through. And gold. What is happening with gold? Let's start with the daily chart, guys. We keep it simple, very simple. Okay, we mark the zones on the daily. We mark very simple things. So what we want from the daily chart is the previous days low, previous days high. Pretty simple. Yeah, previous days low, previous days highs. They're gonna act as key support and resistance. I don't see any other level there. Then on the 4-hour time frame, I want to see if we have any candle closure suggesting that we're going to have a drop or something. If nothing and close to the current price, we don't have some significant levels, but maybe we're going to spot something on the hourly. Then moving down to the hourly, we try to pick up the direction from here. So what is the direction? The direction is mainly downwards because the price makes lower lows. Simple as that. So each low is lower than the previous one. Simple stuff. And on the 15-minute time frame, we want to look for the engulfings to get the trade on. This is how we do it in our community, in our academy. Like sometimes there are these channels and they really fit so well on the chart. And if we see a channel, you see it got rejected here, got rejected there. It means that the market is in a harmonic sequence. And when the market is in a harmonic sequence, it is a sign of trending. So for gold now, we are waiting the sellers to sell off a little bit and a retracement to align the retracement with, I use a couple of confluences. I want the retracement to come somewhere in this area, 61 and 50%. If I get this, press sell, and pretty simple. So here I'm waiting for candle for mainly bearish engulfing candlestick to go short. Waiting for bearish and and that's potential short. So this is the plan, waiting for the bearish engulfing candlestick somewhere here to go short. If something changes and we tap this support, then definitely we're gonna we're gonna change the bias. But for now, this is what I'm looking for. Did you spot any trades earlier? Maybe Ruben, did you trade the DAX at the open? So S&P 500 is really volatile now. What is going on here? We have this nice support yesterday. I've picked up some good trades around here, guys. Very good trades. By the way, if you want to be very solid with your trading, it's good to start with the S&P 500 and gold. If you can keep up with the pace of the volatility and the fast moves, just go with gold. But if you want something that price action candlesticks work so well and everything, it aligns perfect, that's the S&P 500. And this is one of the markets, it can be less manipulated by the market makers, the S&P 500. So I have these lows here. So I want to see how I will buy here, buy only with bullish engulfing. If I get a bullish engulfing here, I will buy. But on the 5-minute chart, definitely. We have this sold off. I think I'm gonna get something with this one. I'm gonna do something. Ruben said I took a short on the NQ, but I'm out now. You are getting out very soon, my friend. Okay, so guys, because I know there is a lot of questions when you are in a trade and you don't know what to do and maybe how to do it, and you don't want to hire me to be your private coach. I built it up myself as a private mentor to everyone. So today I will introduce you for first time to the one and only trading coach Theo in place. But why me? Because I'm one of the most, I will say, successful coaches out there, because I prove it on my own trading account, but also I have a lot of testimonials from people that I will put them in front of you guys to see how I help them. So I decided to make myself available to everyone with this tool here. So from now on, it works. It's completely for free. So you can sign up, you can register, and you can experience how useful it will be in your trading. Okay, So soon I'm gonna launch an elite program, which it's gonna give you the ultimate feature of this application. With also my course will be available for as long as you will be member on the elite class. And not only that, I'm gonna also send some trading signals. Um, in this one here, which currently I'm sending some trading signals on a Telegram channel. This is mainly in Greek language. So from now, let me show you here. So here I'm sending every day trading signals here, but it's in Greek language. And every day I'm sending also, videos. Here are some winners, profits, videos of what I watch, how I watch it in the market, what we expect. Like the one yesterday, I said we are watching here the S&P, and we're gonna get short when it comes up there. And yeah, it was just a matter of time. It came, and you see there. It went down, then we reloaded again on the sell, then we had a buy position, everything with bearish and bullish engulfing. Okay. So, and I also show you my human side. Guys, I'm not the guy who is going to flex. I'm 12 years in trading. I'm trader, I'm investor. I'm not the guy that I want to impress you with, supercars and all these things. I can do that if I want, but that's not me. So I show you exactly who I am. I'm walking my dog every morning. Okay, then coming to my studio here in the office. I do some work. I see the markets. I do some lives. I do my coaching. Then I hit to the gym, straightforward. Then I come back for the New York Open, and then I just go home and spend time with my family. So this is what it is, and it allows me now. I'm in a different country. I'm not in Cyprus. Usually I'm in Cyprus, but now I travel around, and I have the flexibility to rent offices and studios whenever I go. So for me, this is the ultimate um, pleasure of being a full-time trader. It's not to flex with Lambos and all these things. I can pay comfortably for all the tickets for my family, to take my family, my parents, everybody for holidays. So yeah, that's what I prefer to do instead of just throwing my money to impress something that I don't really support. But yeah, there are people, they like supercars, and that's fair enough, and nothing wrong with that. Before I used to like them, but now they are just a thing. I prefer to invest in properties. I do investing in properties. I prefer to invest in the stock market and in cryptos, and I do that. Also, a part of the elite, it's gonna be investing tips. Like I'll show you what I'm buying, when I'm buying. So, guys, get ready. This one here, it's gonna help you to become the trader you desire to become. Okay. So when you log in, you can see here, see how it works, and then you can log in, you put your email, you receive confirmations and all these things, and then you have your dashboard here. What you're gonna do mainly, you're gonna do your pre-market accountability. So here you're gonna write what you will do during your trading session. Then your trading journal, you can import your MetaTrader file. You can download it and import it. But soon I'm going to integrate the PropXP, which is the prop firm that I trust most so far. So I'm going to include this one here so you can directly have an account with the prop firm. Now, if you are using a prop firm, you can name it down, you can open a support ticket, you can send it there, or you can write it here on the chat, and I will speak with the developers to include that as well, so you can just directly log into your account and get all your data. So down here you're going to see which are your rules. You're going to write your rules. So my rules, for example, is here. Always trade the momentum, never trade the retracement, only trade trends. These are my rules, and you can change them, of course. And you're going to come down to the analytics, and based on your trading journal, based on your okay, these are your rituals, based on your rules and your trading journal, you will receive from me the feedback of, hey, yeah, this is your win rate, this is your average loss, blah blah, reward to risk. But what's going on with your emotions here, guys? What happened? You were confident in one trade, and there you had 100% win rate, and you had a P&L of 340. But what about the FOMO? Let's have a look at the FOMO. What happened here? You had a win rate 0%, P&L, okay, $0. So here is your behavior summary. So basically every day when you finish your trading session, if you are taking about 2-3 trades a day, it's good to use it on a daily basis. You come here and you input your log with your rules and everything. It's like you must keep it open while you are trading. So not because it affects the program or something, nothing at all, but it's a way to use it. If you don't keep it open every day, you will not use it, right? Or when you break your rules and you don't do as per your plan, you will not be willing to log in and lock everything you did. So this will help you to become a disciplined trader, and it will gradually come. Don't expect from the first day to jump 10 meters forward. Just take it day by day, session by session. And yeah, I'm really excited because I'm also now, guys, I'm fixing the properly the Discord community, because I really didn't have wasn't using it a lot, the Discord community, and you know that. So now whoever joins, whoever uses a trading coach application, it will also have access to the Discord community where all the updates will go when new prop firms will be added here. Also, so to let you know, whichever prop firm I will decide to add here to, integrate um, immediately, I will also ask them for discounts. So you're going to have discount codes, and all the discount codes will be sent to the Discord community. So keep in mind these things. Join me on every live here, because every single time I go live on YouTube channel, I will share some things about the trading coach here. And yeah, I wish everyone to, to become a successful trader, a successful investor, and I'm by your side, hopefully, to the link, guys. You can find it on this YouTube, but I can take it from here. Yeah. Okay, here is the link for everyone. Back to the market. What do you think? Whoa, S&P, it broke below with a bearish engulfing. Okay, now let's find the next key level of support, which is very close, and I'm sure we can find some trades to capitalize on. So I don't need this box anymore. Look at how much. Oh my goodness, this is an area, guys, and it's great that we see this area right now during the London, because if the market will retrace during the New York, at least at the London, we can buy the retracements here. We can buy, sorry, not the retracements, sorry, we can buy this support. So how do I usually trade the support? and it's something I will share now from my trading course. I want to show you this one because people unfortunately don't understand how they have to trade the support. I think it's on the 115 page, maybe. Resistance becomes support, how to demand supply, support, support answers. Whoever comes for private coaching with me, we go through 500 slides, including examples, including live trading with you to show you exactly what to do, when to do it, how to do it, everything. So the best way to trade support, guys, it's not at the second. Look at this one here. It's not at the second. It's not at the second bounce you just buy, because this first bounce here, it's the swing low. The second bounce, if the price moves away with the market structure in place, it will show that the second bounce confirm that the swing low attracted more buyers here, and now it turned into support. So the best way to trade support is when you have confirmed at least two touches at the same key level. So this is what we're going to do here. If we have a key level of support, one touch and the price moved up, another touch and the price moved away, and now it's coming down to test the support. You see this swing low here wasn't a strong support. This one didn't hold the support. Now, if the price gets into this area and react on the 5 minute with a bullish engulfing, I'm going to buy here. So that's the plan. Gold is going down badly. So it didn't. What's going on with gold? We need to draw again Fibonacci from this swing high down to this swing low, 61.8. Now, even better. Now it's even better. Much, much better here. This is what I like. So the plan is clear. The trading rules established very firmly. At support, broken support, it's going to act as key resistance, 61.8 right there. It can attract the sellers. We had a congestion here, and if the buyers will step in from this key support, we're going to have a good move to the upside. Now we can also buy the support up on a bullish engulfing, but I trust more the technical levels on S&P rather than any other market, guys. Even though you're thinking that gold it respects so much the technical levels, unfortunately, in most of the time the levels are respected on S&P 500. Yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Did anyone sign up with a trading coach AI? By the way, this is the first day I'm launching Trading Coach AI. So keep in mind, if something you see, and first I want you to suggest me improvements. Guys, this is a free software that I'm paying developers, I'm paying a lot of money to build it for now to help you to become a better trader. And I'm putting my time here on YouTube to show you the potential of this and how you can use it. When you start using it, if you notice something that you would like to have and you believe it's gonna help you, it means it will help another 10, 20 traders. So send an email or come to Discord. I think Discord by the end of this week will be completely functionable. So come on Discord and let me know exactly what what do you need to see, and so on and so forth. Okay, I will really appreciate feedback. It's very important. So back to the charts. Did something change here? No. So it looks like that sellers followed through on S&P, which is completely fine. The plan is to buy only if bullish engulfing form there. The reason is that we have a confirmed support with two touches and the market moved away fast. It means that this support it's a strong one, and um, if we get the right candlestick reversal, we're gonna go in. Ruben said, I will, Theo, I'm going to get a funded account with Prop XP and will use your trading coach. Yeah, you cannot now it's not I don't have any integration on the trading coach. What you can do, any prop firm you use, or any you are using Admirals, I remember, or you are using anything, okay, uh, as long as you are using MetaTrader, you can download your lock and just import it on the Trading Coach AI, guys. Simple. You just go here, Trading Journal. You can either you can lock trades manually. Yeah. When you lock trades manually, you have the opportunity. You can choose how did you feel. Okay, rules violated. Okay, so my rules, they were always trade the momentum. So if I, for example, if I will add a lock here, let's say today on gold, I went long, entry price, where is gold now? Entry price on gold is 4386. So 4386, exit 4388, 8, for example. So I gain 2 pips there. Lot size, let's say one lot. PNL, let's say $100. And I was feeling, let's say I was revenging trading because I didn't short it when I wanted to short it, and I bought when I didn't suppose up when I didn't supposed to buy. Come on, where is it? When I didn't supposed to buy. So did I violate any of my rules? Yes, I violated, for example, never trade a retracement. I violate this rule. Screenshot, you can upload a screenshot here. Okay. Notes, what happened? Why did you enter? What would you do differently? So I was upset because I missed a sale opportunity. um, I wanted to make money. I believed I could do it, and I got in and out to prove myself that I am a good trader. Yeah. Okay, we can use Grammarly to fix it a little bit. Save and get the AI. So this one here, if I go now to analytics, I can see here my average win rate, average the win rate, average win, and performance by emotions showed that I had a revenge trading. Yeah, win rate, because it was only one, it was 100% because it was successful, blah blah. But here, behavior summary, overall, you see rule violation, 1. So 33% here with revenge trades, with FOMO entries, and you get your disciplines. My discipline score is 96 out of 100. Still good, but I can improve it. Yeah. So if you okay, again, for those who join us now, I didn't make if we just want to make the perfect application, we will never launch it. So I launched something that I firmly believe it's the right fit for every trader. So any feedback is welcome. Any suggestion for improvement is welcome. And looking forward to receive some screenshots of, let's say, you were 1 month ago, you were like this, and now your behavior summary is more, it improved. Okay. I'm excited for your trading journey with a trading coach. Yeah. Buy only with bullish engulfing. The market is so strong down there. Iva, hello. I will also later today and will recommend you. Thank you very much, Iva. Did you trade the DAX today? It gave one good trade, not right at the open. The good one was at the pre-opening, so no attempt there. But that retracement here was very good. I didn't take the trade. Then this bearish engulfing was also good, but too big. So nothing there. S&P 500, we are sitting in the area here. This is the right spot we are sitting. We are sitting in the right spot. This is where buyers can be activated. And guys, make sure you keep your trading simple. Don't overcomplicate things. If you want to trade, let's say, only order flow and you want to learn order flow, I can show you how to do things there. But nothing beats simplicity. Okay. I may go short on DAX now. Okay. Same for DAX. Oh, the team is on fire today. Let's go, DAX. You're gonna go short on DAX now. Which time frame? Same for DAX. Will you go now in the present moment? Or would you wait for a kind of retracement to trade the retracement? Or you want to trade the extension to support? What you gonna do? What are you planning to do? I'm looking to buy now DAX. Guys, you're gonna make me wondering today what's going on DAX. You want to buy now DAX. Do you see any divergences somewhere? That's the reason, or here is a kind of based on this support. That's the here based on this one, guys. This line is not correct on my chart, by the way. This one. I will give DAX a little bit room to that area personally. I will see DAX there. It's on the 78, 79 feet on 4-hour retracement. You mean for buys? Like, so you see this higher high here, and you did this one, I believe. Okay, now I understand your point. Okay, so you see this. Uh-huh. All right, all righty. Mm. Look, if that's your plan, yes, but make sure you lock everything on the trading coach today. Okay. And it's very important, guys, when you work the trading coach on your by the way, so you don't get confused, the pre-market checklist is your daily rituals that you want to remind yourself before you start trading. Okay, so this is very important. When it comes down to your trading journal, I suggest you, you know what? It's much better for you at the beginning to do it manually, because let's be honest, how many trades, guys, you're gonna get a day? I mean, it's gonna take you only 2 minutes after you finish your trading to come here and put three numbers. But it's very important to make sure and tick if you violated any of your rules and take some screenshots. So this has double effect. Not only it will help you reflect on what you did throughout the day, but also if you have a screenshot, if you take a screenshot and you add the notes, it will be always there for you when you want to review it. You don't need to go back to the chart and try to find out, where was my entry, where was my stop. Like when I do the one-on-one coaching with my students, oh, sometimes I'm asking them, okay, where did you enter? I think it was there. I think, okay, where was there? I think was there. We are spending time to go through the chart to find where their entry was. So from now on, and especially my student, and that's not negotiable, they have to log their trades here and upload the screenshot. It's just really takes literally 1 minute. And if you are someone like me who trades maybe one, two, max three trades a day, max, then I mean it's so simple to just insert your to put your logs here. Very simple. Okay. So what's happening with gold? Gold broke down, so this plan now is not in place. Let's move, delete this one. Wait for short, we didn't get any retracement. The price broke below the channel, so that means on the 5 minute chart we're gonna get a nice retracement somehow, somewhere, and we can load to go short there. The price has still quite a lot of room to move until the next key level of support. So that was the failure swing low which leaded the price. So this one is the this is the inside support here, inside support. If you don't know what is an inside support, don't worry. When you get on the Discord, and you're gonna get access to the course, you're gonna watch the video what is an inside support. Okay. And then here we have the non-failure, sorry, the failure swing bottom, which can be a key support. So is it support or it's support? Depends where are you coming from, Theo, right? If you are Greek Cypriot, that is support. If you are more, like this, it's support. I don't know. Do we have French people here? How does it sound in French language? Support. So anyway, it's the same thing. It can stop the price temporarily. This one here It's an inside resistance. We can, when we, after we confirm the swing low, we will draw Fibonacci again. So this is not in place anymore. S&P is playing inside this box. Do you see why I like to trade the S&P and uh, not the gold that much? S&P, because S&P respects or at least reacts at the key levels, and it's important. We want this reaction, guys. We really do want them. So buyers try to step in here, but I don't think so any one of my students took long here because they know that the market keeps making lower lows. So this is not, so the candles make lower lows and lower highs. So there are two types. There are two ways we read the market simultaneously: lower lows and lower highs in a downtrend when the market overall is trending lower, and also lower lows, lower highs when the market candle by candle. Yes, yes, yes. So one candle broke below. If the next candle closes above, it will be a bullish engulfing. How aggressive is this market today? Oh my god. Pooh, it just keeps going down. Okay, if we don't get the buyers around this area, we're gonna get the sellers on the way down. Let's figure out the next area of support. There is another area here, there. It's so much. So this is exactly at the same level. Then we have this. Then we have that one here. I'd rather do it like up. I'll do it like these guys. So there are there are these two supports sitting there on the 4 hour. The hourly shows them like this. So we have this, that one, 15-minute. DAX never gave back to pick me up. Did you go in. Did you try the sell limit orders? Gold on the free fall S&P. S&P will give us a very nice retracement. Very nice retracement. We're gonna get ready. Hopefully, we're gonna be here live to get it. Uh, what do we have here? Yes, I was waiting for retracement. Iva, did you buy? Are you long on this one? Price smashed through that. S&P. Now what I see is that after we had this move, this fall, buyers tried to step in, but yeah, of course they didn't make it. No retracement here, no retracement, still lower lows, lower highs. It's time somehow, somewhere we're going to see retracement. If not, we're going to get some inside candles and then the price is likely to fall. So let's wait. Not yet, waiting for 2 minute bullish engulfing. For a 2 minute bullish engulfing. Ivan, I'm very curious to see your trading strategy now. With Ivan, I'm talking like this because we used to do. Uh, she was one of my very good students, right? Uh, yeah. S&P minute. So it looks like that sellers are struggling a little bit to continue down. So if sellers are struggling a little bit, we're gonna get the buyers involved. S&P is not that volatile, like Nasdaq. See, when Nasdaq just moves, it really moves. S&P moves about a third of Nasdaq, or let's say 30%, which is okay. So buys only with bullish engulfing here. them I'm just wondering, will they let the market tap into these levels, but slowly. I don't think so they're gonna do it aggressively or something, but maybe slowly they will let them to tap in, because at some point the market has to retrace. It's been since 10 a.m., almost 2 hours. It just goes without a retracement. Not even a small retracement. Just a not even a just a we need just a small retracement. That's all what we need. By the way, if you guys, if anyone here um, is Greek or speaks Greek, can join this Telegram channel. Okay, this is the only channel currently I'm sending some trading signals and sharing ideas. Once our Discord will be ready for the Trading Coach AI, we're going to just go to the Discord. Okay, but I will keep that Telegram channel for Greek audience, of course. So we have an inside candlestick here. What can happen here now is only with bullish engulfing. If I see a lower low, this is the mother candle, right? So if we're gonna get a lower low and we're gonna false break out, then if we're gonna see buyers stepping in and break above the mother's high, mother candle's high, it's gonna just exponentially move upwards, and it's gonna be a good move. Something that statistically it happens very often. No, I like that the markets now they are moving well. They are trending as well. Yeah, 1st of September, good month to everyone. Actually, I wish you to have the best month ever, not only in trading but also in your personal life. Like, yeah, to enjoy whatever you are doing, to make a lot of money from trading. Make sure you choose your prop firm and your brokers wisely. If you are struggling with education, also reach out to me and I can guide you there. Use your trading coach to max out your performance and correct your behavior. The trading coach AI is mainly, again, is mainly to help you correct your behavior. And everything is coming down to these inputs here in the log. Ah, the price now is coming up. I'm not gonna buy this. I'm not gonna buy it. The reason I'm not gonna buy it is because I'm not using the order flow now, to be honest. If I was using the order flow, I'll show you where is the platform? I'll show you something happened yesterday and I took a trade that nobody on earth would have convinced me to take that trade without having uh, this information. I'll show you. I was I was amazed by what I saw yesterday there. Let me find it on ATAS. It was, let me show you here. I think it was this one here around 10:10, something like this. Yeah, I think it was this one. Here it is, 9:50 local time, my local time, 9:50. So it's very simple. 9:50, 9:50. Ah, this one here. Add support. Look at these guys. Add support. We had one support. We had a demand zone here. One touch, two touches there, three touches there, and the price came back here. What I saw is that the delta was making higher highs, and that was up. That was really bullish. But what caught my attention is, for watch here the candlesticks. The price here came down, rejected normally, right? It's not like we cannot say that, this is a solid sign to buy. No way. I don't buy this stuff. Then an inside candle, how do you know? Maybe the price will break to the downside. Maybe it will make a false breakout, rejecting here all the way down. But what I saw when I was caught on to into this trade was on this candle here, 2150. This one here is the same candle there. Let me show you. You see, this is the same chart. Same chart. See this candle? Is this candle here? If I zoom in, and I was watching accidentally, actually, I was watching the market yesterday, or at that time. I saw that 1,470 aggressive buyers bought this price right there over 24 sellers, and the price in terms of volume remained the same, so it means that the market was still good actively, and aggressive sellers were 1526 on this candlestick at support. On the previous candle, it was 112. On the candle before, it was 168 minus. It means it was more sellers here. On this one here, it was 1,100, but see the volume, it was almost 16,500 contracts versus 9,500 contract here, 9,400, and much more buyers than sellers. It means that this is a real thing now, and buyers stepped in for good. So if you were to buy this one here, the easy trade was this one. Long, you buy at the close, you put your stop loss below this candle low. Don't need to even go there, because if you see from the numbers, there is no buyer to defend this level, or no seller to interact with the level that much. All the activity was actually happening right there. So if I have my stop loss just below, below this candle low, the buyers most likely will have stepped in here and keep the price higher. But if they had let the price to drop down and take my stop loss from here, the market will most likely 100% move to the next level right there. So either I get out of the trade here or there. So it's better here because it gives me much better reward to risk. So until where was the safe room of opportunity was up to one here at the VWAP. So right there, we had another interesting thing. We saw that as the buyers were moved the price up, see the numbers 330 minus 120, 340, right here at the VWAP where we expect the sellers to take over, 1,384 aggressive buyers in this small candlestick. That was a sign that the market is likely to break to the upside. Then the sellers tried to evolve here. They didn't make a lower low, so we're still good. And then 2,800 buyers, they just push the price up. So that was a confirmation that the market will likely to go at least to this level. And that was a almost 2.5 to 1 trade. Very, very, very big in probability trade. Very big. This is the beauty of trading, of not trading the order flow, combining the order flow analysis into your trading. See this bearish engulfing here. Oh my goodness. We had an inside false breakout, bearish engulfing. So the market can potentially move to the downside. What is this now here? Uh, okay. Uh, this one here. Uh, I like this one here. I'll see if I can get something. Daran, daran, daran. All righties. Okay. S&P, S&P, S&P 500. Now we can go down to the 1 minute chart and see if we're gonna smash through. Guys, when I'm sending trading signals, because I'm running after high win to loss ratio, the first target goes at 50% with a smart managing of all the positions, of course. So first target is at 50%, and then second target is at 1 to 1. But when I trade without, sending signals, it's just I go for a 2 to 1, 3 to 1. Why I don't do the same trading strategy when I'm sending signals? Because when I send signals, I want to get higher reward, higher win ratio. It really came up to there. Let's see if we're going to get a follow through. Oh, buyers. It just came here. Come on, mate. Are you messing up with me today? Look at this. Look at this. It just came right there. Come on. What is this behavior? Come on. Let's see. This bullish engulfing usually pushes the price up. Now, if we're gonna get a bearish engulfing over this bullish engulfing, it's a sign that the market is coming down. So we want the next candle to be a sell candle. It touched there, but it's not enough. I want the spread to go through the take profit. And there it comes right now. Right now. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, guys. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Boom. Now, if the trader wants, move the stop loss at break even. So this one now, it's out. It's done. If the trader wants now, can move the stop at break even right there. If the price goes up, okay, boom, TP2 again. Now, double boom here. This is also out now. It's done. It gave profits. Done, done. Now, you can move your stops at break even if you want. It's simple as that. Trading is simple. The only thing you need to do is to stay accountable. Use the Trading Coach AI to journal everything and get your discipline score. And based on that, you do your pre-market, you add your pre-market rules, your rituals, you add your rules. And while you are trading and after you trade and you do your locks here, your inputs, you're going to get trade lock, you're going to add here, blah, blah, blah. And you're going to be honest with what did you do? Did you violate any rules? What did you do? So tomorrow, when you come back, you go to your pre-market and maybe you have one rule here that says, you know what, I want to, uh, um, I, I don't want to repeat the yesterday's error. What did you do yesterday? Go to your trade journal, click here and see what did you do yesterday. Okay. Confidence. Okay. You had one violation. You don't want to violate your rules again. Okay, don't do that. Go back and start, your trading day fresh and so on. So now stop loss is at break even. Two winners done on this trade. That's it. Simple. That's it. There were two winners on this trade. Now the stop loss is at break even. If the price goes up, doesn't matter. It's okay. Takes you out of the trade. We are still happy. We are still good. We traded a plan. That's all. You trade a plan every time you repeat the same process as long as you are comfortable with that plan, not because someone on YouTube gave it to you. And that's the one thing I work with all my students. What is the plan that fits to you? Not what is the plan that fits to me. What the plan fits to you? What's your trading style? What's your trading character? What do you believe about candlesticks, about ICT, about Wyckoff, about smart money concept, about volume profile, about delta, about CVD? What's your belief? If you cannot resonate with a trading style, it means it doesn't fit to your beliefs in trading. So we're going to do what fits to your beliefs. That's all. And you're going to see trading like never before. You're going to see it from a very different uh, perspective. Oh, so guys, I will end the live stream for now. I need to jump on a trading session, on a trading coaching session. So I will see you all tomorrow at the same time. We're going to be here. Make sure that you get the access to your Trading Coach AI. It's a free tool I created based on my experience the last 12 years as a trader and also the last 4 years as a trading coach. And tomorrow I will show you official reports about trading coaching and why I believe that my knowledge as a trading coach is what you need on this tool here. So make sure you start using it. Any feedback is welcome. Uh, from day to day, I will announce the Discord community for people who will use a trading coach. And thank you so much for your support. I hope you're enjoying these live streams. Make sure you leave me some comments below just to help the algorithm pushes the live stream to more people. Share it with someone maybe you think you believe that needs some improvement in their trading. And yeah, come back tomorrow. I will see you. We're going to be here. Until then, take care and have the best day of your life. Bye, guys.